Imagine waking up one morning to find your phone has no service. You try to log into your accounts, but your passwords don't work. This is a SIM swap attack, a growing cyber threat. A SIM swap attack is when a hacker fraudulently transfers your phone number to a SIM they control, bypassing security measures to access your accounts. Hackers gather your personal data from sources like social media, then call your mobile provider pretending to be you, often convincing them to transfer your number. With your phone number, hackers can intercept 2FA codes, reset passwords, and gain financial access quickly, often leading to a total lockdown of your accounts. SIM swap attacks can cause financial loss, identity theft, account hijacking, and even blackmail. They are extremely dangerous and impactful. Examples include high-profile cases like Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey and everyday users losing substantial funds. SIM swaps affect everyone. To protect yourself, avoid SMS-based 2FA, use strong passwords, enable account PINs, monitor your activity, and beware of phishing attacks. If you become a victim, contact your carrier immediately, reset passwords, report the attack, and check for unauthorized transactions. Stay informed on SIM swap attacks and follow these steps to protect your data. Share any experiences in the comments.